In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to project your HP laptop using an external device, like a projector, for example, or a tablet or an iPhone, maybe. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says Optional Features, and then select where it says View Features at the top, select Yes, and then you want to search for wireless, and if there's any services in here that say wireless display, you want to install them, as well as if there's any Miracast services as well, you'd want to install them as well. And that's pretty much it on that point. You can also view the optional install history here and see if there's any ones in here. Your device may not support projecting to this PC, which we're about to get to in a second here. So once you're done checking that, if you go back at the system on the left and then scrolling down on the right to where it says projecting to this PC, you can see it doesn't support Miracast, which if it did, you'd be able to connect directly on this page here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.